BJP Congress begin candidate selection process for Lok Sabha polls. Ram Madhav meets Northeast Chief Ministers as dates for Lok Sabha and Assembly polls announced. And cease work strike by MWDC labourers suspended. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News, and now the news in detail. With all major political parties in Manipur gearing up for the two-phase general election to Lok Sabha in the state, former Chief Minister and Congress Legislative Party CLP leader Okram Ibobi Singh today dashed to New Delhi to attend a crucial meeting of AICC. In the meeting, the Congress is expected to finalize candidate selection process for the Northeast states for the forthcoming Lok Sabha polls. Congress Working Committee CWC member and Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC Gaikhangam is already in the national capital to attend a meeting of CWC. In the meantime, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, who left Imphal for Guwahati yesterday, returned to Manipur today after attending a meeting convened by BJP National General Secretary Ram Madhav in Guwahati. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal, Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Pema Khandu and Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma were also present during the meeting. The Manipur unit of BJP headed by Rajya Sabha MP Kshetrimayum Bhabananda is currently facing a major hiccup as National People's Party and Naga People's Front NPF, which are the parts of the BJP-led coalition government in the state, are unlikely to go with the Saffron Party in the upcoming Lok Sabha polls. As of now, the matter remains undecided. Sources informed. It may be noted that the NPP has already announced to field party's candidates in all states of Northeast. Party President and Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma is likely to visit Manipur on March 15, sources said. Sangma is expected to pick the candidates for the polls during his Manipur visit. Polls to Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency and Inner Parliamentary Constituency will be held on April 11 and 18 respectively. The 8 states of Northeast have 25 Lok Sabha seats for which the BJP is working on political strategies to sweep them in the ensuing polls. At the same time, the Congress hopes to retain Northeast once it's bastion. Following the announcement of dates of ensuing Lok Sabha and State Assembly polls, Ram Madhav, BJP's National General Secretary in charge of Northeast, had a meeting with several chief ministers of the Northeast in Guwahati late last night. Madhav had discussions on the ensuing Lok Sabha and Assembly elections. Ram Madhav held discussions with Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren, Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal, Arunachal Chief Minister Pema Khandu, and Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. Convener of the Northeast Democratic Alliance (NEDA), Hemanta Biswa Sarma, also attended the meeting. It may be mentioned that despite being a part of NEDA in Northeast and NDA at the center, the NPP, along with its 4 other partners of MDA in Meghalaya, decided to field common candidates in Shillong and Tura Lok Sabha seats, while the BJP has decided to go alone in Meghalaya. The cease work by the Skilled and Unskilled Labourers Association of Manipur Ward Development Committee over demand for clearance of 18 months pending wages has been suspended today following an agreement was reached during a meeting with Forest Minister Shyam Kumar, an MLA of Oinam constituency and Chairman of Pollution Control Board Radha Kishore, along with officials of the department. During a press meet held at Manipur Press Club, Imphal, Association Secretary Naubi said that the minister promised to clear the due wages of before Holi festival. However, he warned that the association will take up intense protest if the assurance is not fulfilled.
Okay, but tang ahum March ta akogi 18 months ki wages khoi pi dana lepa adugi maramda akoi press conference tawduna akoi sarkar da khang khrabasu that 11 fobugi manungda sarkarna pakhum ama tapirak tabana maram moiduna that 12 tege koi strike sanction jarakpani हाइब स्ट्रक्चर मरम होरगा ngasi ngasi mak mari lenaba department ma di minister Syam Kumar control pollution board ki chairman Radha Kishore Oinam Kendra ki MLA ga pulap wari sanaduna yasinaba ma purak padagi akoi ki yauchang ki festival mamang da akoi ki leihori ba diu sing asi pitok pigani har padagi yasinaba ma purak tuna akoi ngasi ki khongjang asi handok chare.
We'll take a short break. Stay tuned.
Hello, good morning, sir. Welcome to Lamjingba Motors. How may I help you?
Lamjingba Motor na miyam da kana ba piri basing se kari kari no.
Khudong chaba kaya ma pizari. Aikoina phanganjari ba products sing di trucks, tippers, haulage, bus, amasung chainset ne. Documents ichang changdana adomi sale amadi matam manghandana loan gi khudong chaba pizari. HDFC Bank, Lamjingba Finance, amadi Shriram Finance kasu khutsamna na junction minari. Matik charba khutsu khulai amadi crane yauraba. Aikoi gi sport servicing van adongi damakta matham pumbada leijari. Bus sing yon madanatana school, college, universities, office ki dama contract basis da lobi bagi khudong chaba su thamjari. Amadi genuine lay parts sing su phangbigani. Adongi mai pakpana aikoi gi mai pakpana.
Welcome back. An 8-day awareness campaign on the topic "We Ring the Bell Lay" has kicked off at Faith School and Life School, organized by Handicapped Development Foundation and HD Foundation. At the opening of the awareness campaign, Dr. Kumarjit of State Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities, Secretary of HD Foundation, Jao Banta, Program Manager Dr. L. Bina Devi and staff members were present. Speaking about the awareness campaign, Program Manager Dr. L. Bina said that "We Ring the Bell" is an initiative taken up to ease the problem faced by differently abled students in schools. There are many cases when differently abled persons face discrimination in educational institutes. She said that during the 8-day awareness program, students and teachers will be made aware of the topic.
Disables mayam sing asichu edi inclusive oina akhoi gi regular school sing asida tamhangadabani haiduna akoina asigumba kholao habedi campaign asi 2019 oina 13 March to 28 March tak akoina school mafang khudimakta asigi numit nipane chopna akoina mafang khudimakka chatuna asigi program asi pangthok jagadoribani ngasi akhoi gi samaj asida disabled oiraba angang sing asi school da admission chatpa matamda school angang admission taragi manungda angang mapandi discriminate tawre habedi admission tawba yadeba asiguma mayam asi akoi mayam pulap oina wakhan khanna pulap phadaminaraga makoi gumna haidi society asida makoi su hingangadabani makoi su akoi ka chap mane haiba kholao makoi su inclusive oina akoi ga punna larik taminagadabani haibase akoi gi kholao asiga maram oiduna akoi na ngasi campaign asi pangthok jagabani.
The United Living Trust Imphal has organized the first anniversary of Manipur House, Delhi at Manipur Press Club, Majikul today. During the function, former chairman of MPSC, retired LT General Dr. K. Himalay Singh said that selfless service for the cause of humanity is most important and there is no greater thing than this service. The Manipur House in Delhi has been able to actively provide well-maintained accommodation for patients with other facilities, he added.
Ngasigi samaj de koi amana ababu support system si leitradi chaukhot pasungam ngamai masi agi thajabani loan ki oiro medical treatment ki oiro communication ki oiro aduga emotional support oiro ngasai ngangbi gabdo asigi support system si yaura kandada koi samaj su chaukhot kani isa su hakchang phagani imung manung da su amana mabu mateng pangnadradi adom magi kano su environment su phaba honade.
Former MLA R.K. Anand inaugurated a corporate office of Rajkumar Visheshwar Singh Construction Private Limited at Changangai Uchekon Airport Road today. Addressing the inauguration function as chief guest, R.K. Anand said that since many well-known construction agencies have started to operate in Manipur, many quality buildings with modern designs are coming up at present.
Maybe the government buildings, maybe private buildings, maybe the malls, and maybe anything. any infrastructures that may come up. That also, what should be kept in mind is, what will happen if the earthquake strikes in the northeast? We have this ecological, I can say, like, we have always had this discussion in mind. In fact, we have discussed a lot about this. In case that earthquake takes place, it's going to be worse. So northeast is known for that, and there is this impending danger. So that aspect also should be taken into account while forming policies, while undertaking any kind of constructions in the northeast, and especially in the state of Manipur, also in the entire northeast.
The managing director of RKBS, RK Bisheshwar, stated that one of the important goals of the company is to build buildings that could resist fire, sound and water in the state.
Main objects of my company is to construct a residential as well as commercial buildings, mainly for Manipur. With my experienced engineer as well as the architects. If the company is promoted, then this is my option also to give the job opportunities to the people of Manipur. This is my option. And moreover, whatever, the construction service will be doing at a very affordable rate, at minimum rates.
55 liters of Yongno local wine was seized from a bootlegger, namely Nongmaithim Devan, aged 52 years, resident of Sekmaijan, during a drive carried out by volunteers of Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol, KADA, Kakching District Committee today. Separately, 25 liters of local liquor was also seized from the one Sapam Dorendro, aged 42 years, of Wabagai Kaithel Macha during a dive at Wabagai Lamkhai Bazaar. The seized liquor was destroyed at Wabagai Lamkhai Bazaar. Time for a short break. Stay tuned.
lamjingba jewelry na adomgi damak khwaidagi asengba sana khwaidagi ahongba sana asamalda fanghanjari ekhoi service singdi inat ki oiba design sing ready made ta fanghanjari singnaningai oidraba asengba sana khaktamak pizari manung matam sana order delivery sing pizari sana asamal khwaidagi name na logzari nomaizing numitsu adomgi service ta leizari Ngasimak Lengsin Birau, Lamjingba Jewelry Private Limited, DM College Road, opposite Memsi Mall, Thangmaiban, Imphal West. Email lamjingbajewelry@gmail.com. Website www.lamjingbagoldbank.com. Contact us at 764293445 and 940-299-2391. Lamjingba Jewelry. Good quality is our priority.
Welcome back. Security forces arrested one person along with arms and ammunition, including grenades, from a militant hideout in Jammu and Kashmir's Kulgam district. A joint team of police and other security forces busted a hideout in a residential house at Kulgam district's Yaripora area and recovered arms and ammunition, including grenades and live rounds, last night in Srinagar. Muhammad Ayub Rathar, a resident of Yaripora, was arrested and police have registered a case and an investigation has been initiated. Boeing India has grounded all Boeing 737 MAX 8 aircrafts immediately after a late-night decision yesterday. The move came after European aviation regulator EASA, the UK, France, Germany, Australia and Singapore joined a growing number of countries that have barred the aircraft from the airspace following Sunday's crash of an Ethiopian Airlines plane. These planes will be grounded till appropriate modifications and safety measures are undertaken to ensure their safe operations. SpiceJet is the only Indian airline that operates 12 Boeing 737 MAX 8 aircraft, while Jet Airways has 5 of these planes. They are grounded because of the airline's financial issues. Prime Minister Narendra Modi reached out to leaders across the political spectrum, including Rahul Gandhi and Mamata Banerjee, urging them to encourage voting in the upcoming elections. He appealed to Gandhi, Banerjee, Sharad Pawar, Mayawati, Akhilesh Yadav, Tejasvi Yadav and MK Stalin, asking them to encourage increased voter participation in the upcoming Lok Sabha polls. A high turnout augurs well for our democratic fabric, the PM added. The PM also reached out to Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao, Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik, Karnataka Chief Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy, and YSR Congress leader Jagan Mohan Reddy, urging them to work towards bringing maximum Indians to the polling booths in the upcoming elections. The PM urged each and everyone to create an atmosphere where maximum voting can take place. The Supreme Court today slammed Assam government, saying the issue of illegal migrants deportation is serious enough and it has gone too far, which has become a joke. During the hearing, several questions were raised by the court, such as where have the foreigners gone, whether the tribunal was functioning, and whether the state's law and order machinery was functioning to implement the tribunal's order. The bench led by CJI said how seriously Assam is considering this matter is quite evident from the absence of any officer to brief the matter. The Supreme Court, while recalling a 2005 order on the issue, said Assam is facing the threat of external aggregation. The bench said Assam will have to inform the court about the number of persons declared foreigners by the tribunals, number of persons detained at the detention centers, and number of persons sent back to the country of origin. Assam also had to inform the number of foreign tribunals in the state are considered to be adequate and precise number of additional tribunals required immediate and near future. Mizoram BJP President J.V. Luna said the party will contest alone in the upcoming Lok Sabha as well as by-election in Mizoram. However, they are still willing to form alliance with like-minded parties. J.V. Luna said that the BJP candidates from Mizoram, if wins the Lok Sabha polls 2019, will become a minister in the central government. The party expects to announce its candidate by March 18 after a meeting with office bearers in Guwahati. The Mizoram BJP president lashed out at the Mizo National Front, saying that despite being a part of the Northeast Democratic Alliance, it has neglected the Mizoram BJP segment. J.V. Luna warned the MNF, saying that they should have included the lone BJP MLA B.D. Chakma in the government. The budget session of the People's Republic of Nagaland will be held on March 18 and 19, 2019. The budget session will begin at 10 a.m. at the council headquarters in Hebron. It has been mentioned in the press communique that the Ministry of Information and Publicity has asked all the executive members and members of the steering committee, councils of Kilonses, Tatas and heads of departments, Naga Army authorities, NSWON, NFF-WWF, CNC and all the authorities of the regions and sub-regions to attend the budget session positively. Time for the top newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. BJP Congress said to them candidates shortly disclose criminal antecedent if any, says ECI to candidates. Ministry of External Affairs sends reply, no word on Cabo Valley. The People's Chronicle. BJP discusses allies intent of fielding candidate. 157 income tax officials deploy across Northeast. Solution to Naga issue nowhere in sight, says Rio. Manipur Pollution Control Board dismisses AM's fund misuse charge. MPP offers poll office at Haikokpopi. Myanmar doctors brief on keyhole surgery. Impal Free Press. Benefits of Kugadam remain uncertain. UPF states that ZRO chairman is unfit and KNO President P.S. Hokip should apologize. Healthcare service can promote international relations with Myanmar, says Jugindra. District Election Officer Kangpokpi appeals political parties to adhere to MCC.
Before we wrap up the top stories once again. BJP Congress begin candidate selection process for Lok Sabha polls. Ram Madhav meets Northeast Chief Ministers as dates for Lok Sabha and Assembly polls announced. And a cease work strike by MWDC labourers suspended. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.